Throughout the years, we've had tons of questions on the materials we choose to use to build your hidden door. So today, our product specialist from Roseburg is answering your questions, and here's your answers.
MDF is a composite panel produced from post-industrial wood fiber, bound back together with resin and wax as a binder. So think of it this way. MDF is like taking a block of wood, deconstructing it down to its finest parts, and then putting it back together with resin to create the attributes you're looking for in a finished panel. There's a perception that MDF is not as strong as other building products. We have at Roseburg a variety of grades of MDF to fit most end-use applications. Some of them as strong as 7,000 PSI bending strength and 300 PSI internal bond. There's a misconception that MDF and plywood are not real wood, and I believe when people say that, they are speaking of solid wood. We can get superior physical attributes out of composite panels in the manufacturing process that are far superior to solid wood. And that can be screw holding, that can be moisture resistance, that can be fire rating. Really, the list is endless.
MDF comes in two different ways to Murphy door. One is just MDF raw, which means it is a paint grade material that needs to be primed and painted, but will give you almost a perfect non-grained painted finish. So if you're looking something as clean as a car that doesn't show wood grains, raw MDF is the choice. And MDF is an engineered product, extremely smooth, and is using the exact same veneers as our plywoods do. It does not delaminate like plywoods can. And it is extremely environmentally friendly. At the end of the day, we strongly recommend MDF as our choice. It has the highest integrity and the best out-of-the-box experience in what we've seen in nearing 100,000 units out there in circulation today.